So 1 month ago, I was looking forward to import a few items from Amazon and eBay, but then the problem was how those items will reach me. But then as I was searching, I found out a company called States Duka. I had heard about this company for some time, but I had not used it to import anything from abroad. So I wanted to try it. They have been so cooperative, even though I think that their time of delivery is too long, 15 days. But then I thought that there are 15 calendar days, but there are 15 business days. But anyway, they deliver those items, and then I received a message today to go and get those items. So I'm on my way to the Westwood, Karen, where they have the offices. So to go there, you can see I'm now on the Red Hill, Wayakwe Road. I'm going to join around the ABC roundabout. So you can see that here, where I am right here, I am heading to the ABC roundabout. From ABC roundabout, I'm going to go along to go across Kilimani, and then I get to Ngong Road. From Ngong Road, I drive to Karen, and then from Karen, I drive I think 1-2 kilometers, and then I get to the Westwood Ruby's petrol station. That is where they are located. Just to pick the items and then come back. So you can see here I am just close to the Ngong Road roundabout, but there's a little bit of a jam, but so I picked those items, and I'm now going back to the house to unbox and see if they are in the state that I ordered them. Thank you so much.